Hello friends, today we are going to study investment accounting objective questions. In our TYBCom semester 5, we have a total 5 modules. Among these 5 modules, investment accounting is one of the major module. From this module, they will ask practical questions, some theoretical questions and objective questions also there. So you should focus on objectives, theory and practical. All is focus you should properly on your study. So let us discuss about the objective questions. Generally we will discuss multiple choice and true or false, because this type of objective questions will come in your exam. So we will start right now. Multiple choice questions. The first question: the investment intend to be held for less than dash months is called dash investment as per accounting standard 13. Option A 12 or current, option B 12 or and annual, option C 12 and long term, option D trade. The best option is 12 months, less than 12 months, it is called as a current. If the investment intend to be held for less than 12 months is called current investment as per the accounting standard 13. Next, the carrying amount of current investment is to be shown at dash or dash, whichever is lower. Option A face value of shares, option B cost or market value, option C paid up value of shares, option D none of the above. So which one is the best option? The appropriate option is cost or market value, whichever is lower. Next question: the interest due up to date of purchase is to be segregated from total price of investment if price is dash. Option A fixed price, option B X interest, option C cum interest, option D all types of or all of the above, all types of prices. Here answer is cum interest. Whenever interest due up to the date of purchase, so is to be segregated from the total price of the investments if the price is cum interest. The interest on investment is to be calculated on dash of the investments. Option A cost, option B number of the values, option C lower of the cost or market value, option D face value. So, appropriate answer is face value. Appropriate answer is face value. Here next question: accounting standard 13 provides for accounting for investments in dash or dash. So here option shares or debentures or none of the both. The answer is option is shares or debentures. Means accounting, it is a accounting standard 13 provides the accounting for investment in shares or debentures. Next question: cost of investment include purchase price and dash. Option A expenses, option B income, option C share. Here best option is expenses. Next question: the brokerage and stamp duty paid at the time of purchase is dash. Add to cost, ignore or none of the above. So we have to select best option, that is added to cost. The brokerage is calculated on price of investment. Option A cost of price, option B fixed price, option C transaction, option D none of the above. The answer is transaction price of investment. Next, the cost of investment sold is to be ascertained as per accounting standard 13 dash method? Option A FIFO, option B weighted average, option C LIFO, and option D simple average. The best appropriate answer is weighted average. Next, the premium received on sale of right is credited to dash capital reserve account, investment account, profit and loss account, none of the above. So here best option is profit and loss account. Next question, in case of dash interest due up to date of transaction is payable extra. Option A cum interest, option B fixed price, option C all type of, option D X interest. So here answer is X interest. Next question, question number 12. The receipt of bonus shares is to be shown in dash column of the investment. Option A cost price, option B number of bonds, option C number of shares, option D market value. The best option is number of shares. The number of shares column we have to show bonus shares, receipts of the bonus shares. Next, the investment account is prepared in dash columns 1, 6, 2 and 3. So we will prepare in a 3 columns. The difference between cost of debentures and the amount received on redemption is transferred to dash account. Investment account, capital reserve account, profit and loss account, none of the above. So here difference cost of debenture and amount received on redemption, it is transferred to profit and loss account. Next, investment account is debited for dash on sale of investments, profit, loss or none of the above. So it is always debited profit on sale of investments. The dividend received for pre-acquisition period is credited to dash account. Option A investment, option B profit and loss account, option C capital reserve, option D none of the above. So here we will transfer to investment account. Next, the balance in interest column in investment account is transferred to dash. Option A profit and loss account, option B capital reserve account, option C investment account, option D none of the above. The best answer is profit and loss account. Next, X interest price includes dash only. Option A market value, option B face value, option C cost value, or option D none of the above. So here answer is cost value. Next, the value of shares allotted on conversion of debentures is created in dash account. Option A capital, option B profit and loss account, option C investment account, option D debentures. Here best option is debentures account. Next question, question number 20. The right shares are shown in investment only when right is we can say accepted or exercised. Next, cost of investment includes purchase price and dash. Option A stamp duty, option B purchase price, option C brokerage, option D none of the above. The answer is brokerage. Next question, interest is always calculated on dash of securities, cost, number of bonds, market value or face value. The best option is face value. The interest is always calculated on face value of securities. Next, interest is paid to the holder on due date irrespective of his dash period of holding. Option A current, option B actual, option C more, option D none of the above. The answer is actual holding. Next, dividend on shares accrues on the date of dash. Option A, due date. Option B, date fixed in advance. Option C, last day of the year. And option D, declaration. So which one is the best option? That declaration. The dividend on shares accrues on the date of declaration. Next, dividend is paid to the holder of shares on the date of dash, irrespective of the actual period of holding. Option A, declaration. Option B, actual. Option C, current. Option D, book closure. The answer is book closure. Equity shares is a dash income bearing securities. It is fluctuating income bearing securities. Interest is always calculated on dash of the securities. It is calculated on face value of the securities. As per the accounting standard 13, on sale of investment, profit or loss is calculated by deducting dash of the investment from sales. So it is we can say weighted average cost, calculated by deducting weighted average cost. Whatever sale of investments, profit or loss, whenever we have to calculate, we have to deduct the weighted average cost. Profit on sale of investment is transferred to dash account. Profit and loss account, investment account, capital reserve account, none of the book. The answer is profit and loss account. Current investments are valued at cost or market value, whichever is dash, whichever is less. Next, sales proceeds of the right shares is credited to dash. Capital reserve account, profit and loss account, investment account, none of the book. The best option is profit and loss account. In case of the cum interest, price cost of the acquisition is cum interest price is less dash. Due date, actual period, interest for expired period, or none of the above. The answer is interest for expired period. Next, on sale of the equity shares, the equity shares account is created by net sales proceeds. Answer is net sales proceeds. Dash shares received increase the nominal value of shares held. Answer is bonus shares. So friends, such type of questions will come in your exam. You should focus and you have to clear your concept. Without knowing the concept, you cannot solve objective questions. Objective questions are conceptual based questions. It it uh, These particular objectives evaluated your for knowledge and your concept clearness, and therefore you should focus on objective questions also. I hope you understood this. These are the certain objectives which will come in your exam, and that these objectives you will get maximum marks. Okay, bye, thank you.